Espresso, a small, powerful shot of coffee brewed under pressure. It began in Italy and forms the base of many modern coffee drinks. Americano, espresso mixed with hot water. The result is smoother and closer to traditional drip coffee. Cappuccino, a balanced blend of espresso, steamed milk, and thick foam. Creamy, rich, and one of the most classic cafe drinks. Latte, espresso combined with a large amount of steamed milk and a light foam layer. Smooth, mild, and very popular worldwide. Flat white, espresso with finely textured microfoam milk, silky and velvety with a stronger coffee taste than a latte. Macchiato, a shot of espresso lightly marked with milk, strong and simple, keeping the bold espresso flavor. Mocha, espresso blended with chocolate and milk. It combines the bitterness of coffee with the sweetness of cocoa. Cortado, equal parts espresso and warm milk, smooth and balanced without thick foam. Ristretto, a shorter, more concentrated espresso shot, rich, intense, and slightly sweeter. Lungo, an espresso brewed longer with more water, larger in size with a slightly more bitter taste. Cold brew, coffee slowly steeped in cold water for hours, smooth, refreshing, and naturally less acidic. Drip coffee, hot water slowly filtered through ground beans, a clean, balanced cup enjoyed around the world.